Hello, this is Rex with another Symphony quick tip. Today I want to look at a problem that was reported by one of our users. On the Processes tab, the user says that they cannot start the sales discount approval process. And you can see when logged in as that user, the plus button that starts the process is grayed out. If you hover over the button, it plainly tells you that you do not have rights to initiate the process. Whereas if you go to a different process, you can start the process. So there are two problems that can cause a user not to be able to initiate a process. The first one can be addressed by going into Process Manager. Select the workflow template and check the initiator assignment. We want to make sure that the roles on the left are checked for the users that we want to be able to initiate the process. In this case, it's the sales manager that cannot start the process. Here we have the sales role, they can start it, but the sales manager role cannot. So the first thing we want to do is check the box for using the process in production. We also have a column for testing. We're going to ignore that for this use because we're not going to use the sales manager for doing testing of this process. Click the Save button to save changes. Now have your user try to see if they can initiate the process. You will want to have them log out and log back in. If they still cannot start the process, then go into Settings, User and Role Management, find your user, and see if they're actually in the role that you've selected that can initiate the process. And here you can see that our user is not in the Sales Manager role. If you click the Add button, then you can find the role that you want to add the user to, and then click the Submit button to save it. Now the next time that your user logs in, they will be able to initiate that process.